your girl Country Curls, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. So if you guys want to see how I keep my skin nice and glowy during the nighttime, then stay tuned and keep on watching. What I'm going to be doing is taking my face brush. Then I'm going to be going in with the Dr. Brandt's microdermabrasion age defying exfoliator. And I like to use this product 3 times a week. You don't want to use it too often because it is abrasive on the skin. So you want to make sure you use it like every other day or every 2 days, which is what I do. I use it every 2 days in rotation with my other nighttime skincare products. So I'm just going to be going in and I'm just going to be working it into my skin. This product also renews skin radiance, it polishes and smooths, and it helps diminish the look of fine lines. So I'm going to be taking a little bit more of that, and then I'm going to be going in and I'm going to be working the product into my skin, making sure to really cleanse my skin. It's very important that when you're doing any skincare routine, whether it's morning, noon, or night, you want to make sure you thoroughly cleanse your skin. I'm going to be taking a microfiber towel with warm water, and I'm just going to be going in and gently removing the exfoliator from my face, making sure to thoroughly wash it off my face, but be gentle at the same time. And I like to use microfiber towels because it's very gentle on the face and on the skin, at least in my case, because I do have sensitive skin, so I like to make sure I use something soft on my skin. And then I just go in and just pat my face just to make sure I got all of it off my face. Be going in with my Alula Mask Hydra Hydrating Gel. And this product comes with a spoon where you can scoop the gel out of the package. It also has a flip top, which is very convenient. So I love the packaging of this. And like I said, this is a rehydrating gel, so it's going to help hydrate the skin and keep in the moisture. So I like to work this into my skin. And this is a very light product, which I like. I don't like to put heavy products on my face, especially during the nighttime. So this is a very light rehydrating gel. And it goes onto my skin so smooth and so gentle. So I absolutely love that about this gel. And as you guys can see, it's already giving my face that nice glow that I like. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Dr. Song Vitamin C Serum. And as you guys can see, it has the drop applicator, which I absolutely love, which makes it easy to apply to the face or the hands. So I'm going to be taking a few drops and placing it onto my face. You got to be very quick with this product because it's very runny, if that makes sense. So you want to make sure you put the drops on and hurry up and go in and rub it in. And this product contains lavender oil, rose water, aloe vera, and jojoba oil. So it's a very natural product, which I absolutely love for my skin. and the smell is amazing. I love the smell of this vitamin C serum. So I'm going to be going in with my Ambi Skincare Fade Cream for the gradual fading of dark brownish spots, which I have that problem area around my chin. My chin is prone to getting dark spots because, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like to pop my bumps, my period bumps or whatever, and I don't like any bumps on my face, so I have a bad habit of popping them, and then I end up getting dark spots. So I have been working on that lately, just to not bother the bumps and just let them go away on their own. But I use this to help get rid of the dark spots, and it's really been helping. I used to use this a long time ago, but I stopped using it. But I'm glad I revisited again because it's really helping to get rid of those dark spots for me. Product I'm going to be going in with is my Mary Kay Timewise Repair volu-firm Eye Renewal Cream, and this comes with an applicator where you can apply it under the eyes just by pressing out the cream and firmly massaging it around your eye. So the silver thing you see on the applicator is a massager, and it helps eliminate puffiness and everything. It reduces the appearance of deep lines, wrinkles, and crepiness, and is very comfortable under the eye. At least I'm going to be going in with my Carmex. So I'm going to make sure to moisturize my lips. You want to make sure you include your lips because it is a part of your face. And I just go in and moisturize my lips. And this is the Classic Medicated Lip Balm. This is my favorite lip balm to use. So this is the end of the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to your girl Country Curls, please do so you can join the Belle gang. And also make sure you guys hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload from your girl. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!